Hello. Today we are going to talk about creating custom products in Shopify using the Custom Price Calculator Shopify app. This app was built out of our own personal necessity. As Shopify merchants, we wanted to offer our customers a user-friendly way to order products sized to their own individual specifications, with the pricing to match accordingly. In the example today, we will be creating a simple calculator that will calculate the price of a product based on the total square foot calculated by the shopper's inputs. But these same concepts can be applied to any custom product you want to sell on your store. Let's get started. As you can see, when I come to create a calculator, I have a working area where I can add different elements. Then I have a place where I control my formula, which products I'm applying it to if I want to put it on a different page that doesn't have products, and general settings. If I click Add Element, I'll see a list of all the supported elements. The first one I'm going to insert in this example is a number input, which we will call length in inches, and the minimum value will be 1. I'll save this, and as you can see, it updated here. Now it's on my working set area and also in my preview. I'm going to add another element, which will be width, also in inches, with a minimum value of 1. You can see that's also added. I also want to give my shoppers an option to select color. So I'm going to do a drop down. I'm going to do red with a value of 2. I'm going to add another option. I'm going to call it blue with an option of 5. And I'm going to do green with an option of 10. I'm going to save changes. As you can see, my live preview is updating. You can also move them around as needed. In this case, I want this layout for my calculator. Next, I want to calculate the price that will be displayed based on the different inputs. So how this works, essentially we have a formula. And in my formula, I can do math of the different elements. So in our case, I want to do length. And as you can see, as I type, my options come up. And I just click enter, times width. And I also want to do it times the color, which is drop down in this case. And then if I come here and I change the different values, you can see my preview is updating the price. I can also change this to actually be called color to give a better shopper experience. And here I'll just have to be sure to change the formula to color also. Next, I can also play with a suffix. If I wanted to have something else here, maybe call it USD, or how many decimals I want to. I can have a prefix, maybe a dollar sign or any other currency I would like. Next, I'm going to select which products I want. I can either apply it to all products or I can click select product. In this one, I'm going to put on our demo product, click select, and you'll see it filled here. I'll click save, and next we'll go view this on the storefront to make sure it's working. Now you can see on my demo product on my Shopify store, I have my calculator completely embedded. I can now change different inputs and see the price change automatically, giving a shopper a clear idea of what they're going to pay for the product and reducing a lot of email back and forth. Now let's say I'm a shopper, I can add the cart and it seamlessly takes me to the cart page where I can see all the information inserted, and I can even go all the way to checkout. That is all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can build a calculator that will allow you to sell custom products while automatically giving your shoppers the price. If you have any questions about this process or any of the other features, please reach out to us. You can install the app and start a free trial directly on the Shopify App Store. Thank you for watching.